Hello everybody, and now is another daily verse day of some sort, but today's daily verse is from Mark 11 verse 24 here. So let us read. Therefore I tell you, all that you ask for in prayer, believe that you will receive it and it shall be yours. So let us make this short. Everything that you pray, like let's say you pray for good grades, or just anything that you pray that your mother will have good health, that pray that you will have good fortune, or right, you will win tomorrow. Everything that you have prayed, believe in it with all your heart, and it will be received by God and shall be yours, because your faith has saved you. Sorry, I have a sore throat here, but yeah, that's the Bible verse of Mark 11 verse 24. Believe in the prayer that you have said with all your heart, and it will be yours in time, because of the deed or the things that you have done. So the lesson there is, yeah, like I said, the prayer here, believe. That's the most important thing here, or in the whole book of the Bible. Believing that God is true, then you will inherit His holy and eternal life. So in prayer, guys, a general rule of thumb, believing in prayer that what you have said, when you believe that God is true, and believe that His power, that that will give you eternal life and many such things, many treasures that He will give. Believe in Him with all your heart, and you will receive the thing that you want, and it shall be yours for all of time. So that's the daily verse, everyone. I hope that you have an amazing day, and I hope that you're just doing fine. So thank you guys for listening, and see you tomorrow's daily verse. This is part 3, I believe. So goodbye guys, bye bye.